Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to resize the header on your Weebly website. This is a quick customization that can dramatically change the look and feel of your site, giving you more control over your layout and visual hierarchy. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage, which serves as your main dashboard for managing all your Weebly sites and settings. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the option labeled Website and click on it. This section is where all your published and draft websites are stored. Once you click on Website, you'll see additional options appear beneath it. Go ahead and click on Edit Site. This will take you to the interface where you can make changes to your website's design and content. Next, you'll need to choose which website you want to edit if you have multiple sites associated with your account. Select the appropriate site from the list. After selecting your site, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click this button to open the full editor for your website. You're now on the editor page of your website where all the magic happens. This is your workspace for customizing every element of your site. To resize the header, simply click directly on the header section at the top of your page. This action will highlight your header, indicating that it's now selected and ready for editing. Once the header is highlighted, you'll notice a pop-up menu appear along with a blue circle. This blue circle is your resizing tool, and it's incredibly intuitive to use. Simply click and hold the blue circle, then drag it up or down. Dragging it down will increase the height of your header, while dragging it up will make it smaller. Adjust it until you achieve the look you're going for. And that's it, you've successfully resized your header on Weebly. This simple adjustment can help you create better visual balance on your site and make your header content more prominent or subtle depending on your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.